Today I'm going to give you a massive piece of advice for using Blender, and it's to stop modeling objects. Well, kind of. Now hear me out. For this render, you'd be surprised about something. It's actually fake. Now, wait, obviously everything you make in Blender is fake since it's generated by a computer. Well, these trees aren't actually trees. That's right, they're actually a PNG image I found for free online. So why did I do this? Should you do the same thing? And does this mean you should stop modeling things in Blender? Let me explain. Now, I don't think this method actually has like a scientific name, but it does have quite a useful purpose. I uploaded a video a long time ago about a Blender add-on called Botanic, which is amazing. It gives you a bunch of nature assets and stuff that are super high quality. However, the top comment to this day points out a really big problem. People don't add nature because they're super heavy on render times. And the commenter here is right. One tree asset has a ton of polygons and can add a lot of render time to an animation. So going back to this render, which I uploaded a tutorial video about a couple weeks ago, a PNG image for the trees makes a lot more sense, especially because it's not just one tree, this is hundreds for a forest. And lots of professionals use this method too. For example, I just watched a video by this guy where he used the same method on some trees for an animation that looks incredible. And if you want to do the same thing, literally all you have to do is click Shift A, click on Image, and then click Image Mesh, and you're good to go. Now, to be clear, use this method in moderation. If everything in your render uses this method, I don't think it's a 3D animation anymore. So be careful, don't go crazy. But if you do want to go crazy in learning something, I'd suggest you check out this amazing class by Smeef over on today's sponsor, Skillshare. It's definitely the best place to go if you want to truly become a pro at animating 3D objects. He's got this super amazing module on splining that I learned a ton from. He also has some crazy cool graphics on it. He covers everything from the graph editor all the way to putting your skills in action, which is amazing. I really do think that's a place a lot of 3D courses could improve by including, so Smeef having a class project to work on with him is incredible in my opinion. Skillshare is literally the best place to learn things online. They've got tons of categories and a plethora of options of classes to take. It's an awesome community of tons of pros in their fields sharing everything they've learned on any topic there is to cover. And this is kind of crazy, but the first 500 people to use my link in the description will receive a 1-month free trial of Skillshare, so get started today. So thank you Skillshare for sponsoring this video, and thank you for watching.